हेलो फ्रेंड्स, आज हम क्लास 10th के चैप्टर नंबर 1 केमिस्ट्री का केमिकल रिएक्शन एंड इक्वेशंस के नोट्स पढ़ेंगे। केमिकल रिएक्शन आर दोज process in which new substance with new properties are formed. For example, burning of magnesium in air to form magnesium oxide, cooking of food, rusting of iron, etc. Reactant. The substance which take part in a chemical reaction are called reactants. Products. The new substance produced as a result of chemical reaction are called product. Characteristics of chemical reaction. Number 1. Evolution of a gas. Number 2. Formation of a participate. Number 3. Change in color. Number 4. Change in temperature. Number 5. Change in state. Next, chemical equation. The method of representing a chemical reaction with the help of symbols and formula of the substance involved in it is known as chemical equation. For example, zinc plus sulfuric acid gives us zinc sulfate plus hydrogen. Zn plus H2SO4 gives us ZnSO4 plus H2. Balanced chemical equation. A balanced chemical equation has an equal number of atoms of different elements in the reactant and product. For example, Zn plus H2SO4 gives us ZnSO4 plus H2. In above equation, number of zinc atoms, hydrogen atom, sulfur atom and oxygen atom are equal in both reactant and product. That is, the above equation is balanced. Unbalanced chemical equation. An unbalanced chemical equation has an unequal number of atoms of one or more element in the reactant and product. For example, H2 plus O2 gives us H2O. In the above equation, number of atoms of oxygen is not equal to, therefore the above equation is unbalanced. Balancing of chemical equation. The process of making the numbers of different types of atom equal on the both sides of equation is called balancing of equation. Types of chemical equations. Reaction. Various types of chemical reactions are as follows: combination reaction, decomposition reaction, displacement reaction, double displacement reaction, oxidation and reduction reaction. Combination reaction. Those reactions in which two or more substances combine to form a single substance are called combination reaction. That is, A plus B gives us AB. For example, 2 magnesium plus O2 gives us 2 MgO. 2H2 plus O2 gives us 2H2O. Decomposition reaction. Those reactions in which a compound is split up into two or more simpler substances are known as decomposition reaction. That is, AB breaks into A plus B. For example, calcium carbonate gives us calcium oxide and carbon dioxide. Next, ferrous sulfate gives us ferrous oxide plus sulfur dioxide plus SO3, sulfur trioxide. Displacement reaction. Those reactions in which one element takes the place of another element in a compound are known as displacement reaction. That is, AB plus C gives us AC plus B. For example, copper sulfate reacts with zinc gives us zinc sulfate plus copper. Copper chloride reacts with lead gives us lead chloride plus copper. In above example, zinc displaces copper, and in example second, lead displaces copper. Double displacement reaction. Those reactions in which two compounds react by an exchange of ions to form new compounds are called double displacement reaction. That is, AB plus CD gives us AD plus CB. For example, barium chloride reacts with sodium sulfate gives us barium sulfate plus sodium chloride. Lead nitrate reacts with potassium iodide gives us lead iodide and potassium nitrate. Oxidation. The addition of oxygen to a substance is called oxidation, or the removal of hydrogen from a substance is called oxidation. जो स्टूडेंट्स मेरे चैनल पर नए आए हैं वो आगे की वीडियोस चेक करने के लिए मेरे जो है चैनल को सब्सक्राइब करें, लाइक करें और बेल आइकन को Oxidizing agent. The substance which gives oxygen and remove hydrogen is called oxidizing agent. Reduction. The removal of oxygen from a substance is called reduction, or addition of hydrogen to a substance is called reduction. Reducing agent. The substance which removes oxygen or gives hydrogen is called reducing agent. Redox reaction. A reaction in which both oxidation and reduction take place is called redox reaction. For example, copper oxide reacts with hydrogen, gives us copper and water. Hydrogen changes into water, oxidation, copper oxide changes into copper, reduction, and overall it is redox reaction. Corrosion. Corrosion is the process in which metals are eaten up gradually by the action of air, moisture or a chemical on their surface. For example, rusting of iron. Rusting of iron is an example of redox reaction. Rancidity. The oxidation of fats and oil in food marked by unpleasant smell and taste is called rancidity. It can be prevented by adding antioxidants to food containing fats and oils.